Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure power and proximity are set. Plug the lightning cable in until the LED shows charging. Once done, aim for at least 30% to avoid shutdown during setup. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone or tablet is enabled and keep the device within 3 meters. Remove the AirPods Max from their smart case and press the digital crown briefly to wake them. This readies pairing and audio routing so you can continue without interruptions. Now pair and learn the controls. Open your device's Bluetooth menu and tap AirPods Max when they appear. Pairing is automatic once selected. Use the digital crown to adjust volume and play or pause. Press the noise control button to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency. Once paired, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and tap the info icon to rename or enable spatial audio. This improves immersion for compatible content. Make sure firmware updates are allowed so features stay current. Finish by using and caring for the headphones. Place them in the smart case between uses to preserve battery and avoid exposing them to extreme temperatures because battery life can degrade. If they become unresponsive, reset by holding the noise control and the digital crown simultaneously for about 15 seconds. Once done, repair through Bluetooth. If audio cuts or pairing fails, make sure firmware is up to date and reduce interference by moving away from Wi-Fi routers or microwave appliances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.